Welcome to City of David Awka. This is one of the best estates we have here in Ebenebe. Very close to Anozie, very close to Government House, very close to Abakaliki Street. So today we'll be touring this estate, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. You know, if you still want to buy plots here, the new price is not out yet, but the ones who sold already sold for 15 million. So let's go inside so you get to see. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video. I remain the best real estate investment manager, the best real estate investment coach right here in the East, and I've been helping Nigerians in the diaspora, especially Igbos, make a genuine and profitable real estate investment here in the east. So if you want to reach out to me, you can check the description below and call me or WhatsApp me. Okay, see ya.